So I just got these 18 by 18 faux leather decorative pillowcases in the mail from the brand VUDECO, and I'm absolutely in love with them. So the set came with 4 modern farmhouse decorative pillowcases. 2 of them look like this. And the other 2 look like this. So the set comes with 2 leather pillowcases and 2 splicing leather pillowcases. They're made of faux leather, cotton, and polyester, so they'll maintain their integrity, and they'll also be able to endure everyday wear and tear. These pillows are simple yet boho style, and they'll really match with anything. These are very easy to clean. All you have to do is gently wash it by hand and let it dry in the shade. These pillows will bring a modern farmhouse feel to your place, and they'll look good on your couch, on your bed, on another chair, really anywhere. These pillows are the perfect decoration for your modern farmhouse, so get yours now before they sell out.